right, so the next piece of this multiplication bundle is digital flashcards. We also have some printable ones, but I'll spend more time talking about these Flippity flashcards. You can head over to flippity.net and look at the applications that are created over there. They all leverage Google Sheets, but you can find things like flashcards and also random name pickers. But for multiplication, here are the multiplication facts, and if I click on, let's say, the 3s here, this is what these digital flashcards look like. They go in order, so you'll see 3 times 0, flip the card over, 3 times 1, 3 times 2. All right, you can shuffle the deck, and I would suggest that. All right, and then you can also go to practice up here if you want, and this kids can take like a little mini quiz. Anything they get wrong on this quiz, they do have the option to just practice those problems they got wrong. So this is a nice way to self-assess. All right, so that's just multiplication facts. Here's missing number, so that would look like almost like a division problem. 7 times what equals 0? Once again, shuffle the deck. So 7 times 4 equals 28, right? And this third set here is just a combination of both of those. So kids get used to seeing patterns. And if they always see flashcards this way, 5 times 0, 5 times 1, the recall is fairly easy. Right? If you make the recall a little more difficult, it instills better learning. So by mixing these up, kids are going to learn a little bit better. All right, the last one here is specific facts. And you have to make a copy of this for it to work. And I already did make a copy. And when you make a copy, it'll look like this. All right. The first thing you want to do is publish this document to the web. So go to File, Publish to the web, hit Publish, and hit OK. That's how all of these Flippity documents work. All right. On the Values tab, this is what I've added. Suppose you want to just practice your 1s, 2s, and 5s times 1 through 10. If I go back to the first sheet here, you'll see this first number is always a 1, a 2, or a 5. All right. And the second number is always a 1 through 10. All right. Suppose you get a little further into multiplication and you want to just practice 6, 7s, and 8s with 5 through 9. All right. That seems to be a sticking point for a lot of students. I go back to the demo, and here are all those problems randomly created. All right. Go down to get the link, click, and click again. And then this is the link you'll want to put on your website. All right, here are these multiplication problems. All right, once again, they can quiz themselves if they want to. The last piece here are these printable flashcards. And what I recommend with flashcards, 2 things. If you're showing these to students, if a student gets one wrong, take that one they got wrong and put it 2 or 3 back in the deck. All right, don't put it in a separate pile and don't put it at the back. Put it just a couple behind so the kid gets another opportunity to see that problem again and again. All right, the other thing is have these all around the room. So it's a ticket in the door. They have to get a multiplication problem right. It's a ticket out the door, a ticket to line up when they go to the bus. All right, there's a lot of opportunities for flashcards throughout the day for students. All right.